This is a demonstration of the Magnavox record player. I'm just going to show you how to use it and how to set it up so that you'll be familiar with it when you receive it. When you receive it, the first thing you'll need to do is to screw down the 3 transit screws on the record deck, located here, here and here, and screw those down as far as they will go so that the deck floats on its springs. On the front side panel here is the controls on-off volume and tone, and also balance to distinguish between the speaker in the lid and the built-in speaker in the front of the system. On the deck you have the knob here which has an inner and outer mode for selecting the record speed and for starting and stopping the turntable. So you can stack around 8 singles. I'll demonstrate with 2 so that you can see how it works. So just pop the records onto the stacking spindle and put the stacker arm across, select the correct speed and then flick the switch round clockwise until the first record drops.
The moon was yellow when the night was young.
And if you want to skip to the next record, just flick the control knob round clockwise again. And note how the arm feels the size of the record to ensure it lands in the correct position.
Adios, amigo.
And when there's no more records to play, the arm feels and checks there's nothing there and it switches off. And the same applies for 12-inch records as well. If you just want to play one record manually at a time, you can just pop a record straight down the spindle and just turn the dial to the first click, which just says on, and that will start the turntable turning, and you can then place the arm onto the record yourself. Once the arm is on the record and it's playing, carefully lower the stacker arm down so that it knows to switch off automatically at the end of the record. If you do have any queries or issues when you receive it, I will provide my personal email address in with the machine, which is the quickest way to contact me.